again according to the homework I should receive all of your homework. اللي راح أحكي أسمائهم ما وصلني منهم 11 3 which are أحمد، جنان، ريتال، سيرلا، عبد الحفيظ، عبد الرحمن فودة، عمر تيسير، كرم بكر. ولا أي واجب لهلا يا كرم بعتت وحرام علاماتك تنزل. who else؟
ما كنت عارف إن لازم
أحمد I reached. اليوم قرأت رسالتك بجاوبك عليها بس مجرد ما وقت الواجب يخلص أنا آسفة ما بقدر أعطيكي وقت ثاني. وعمر شرعان you didn't send 11-3. كرم بكر the homework was clear. وكل أصحابك على الجروب بيبعتوا وبيسألوا عن الهومورك فكيف أنت مش عارف إنه لازم تبعت. Now this is about the homework. الهومورك توصلني عليه علامات. Starting from today. Starting from today you should make sure that you send it. مش starting from today راح أحسب، لا من زمان أنا عم بحسب من أول درس أعطيته من لما عطلنا. Now
teacher
ها
ما أنا صورت ال يعني أنا حليت 11 2 3.
أوكي ما هو أنا بدي أحكي إشي ثاني. بالنسبة للي عم بيبعتوا لي إياه لساته على الإي سكول هلا على الإي سكول راح أستقبل أوكي بس اليوم بس بليز ما في داعي إنكم تضلكم تبعتوا لي على الإي سكول لأنه إحنا كل اللي عملناه إنه تسهيلا عليكم الواجب هذا حطيناه بلينك بتفوتوا على اللينك انتوا وبتعملوا سبمت بتحلوا بتعملوا سبمت بوصلني انا جوابكم بوصلني صفحه كامله كيف جاوبتوها بوصلني اذا عندكم اغلاط وبوصلني كل شيء بالتفصيل. تمام
الصوت يعني بعد
في حدا عم بيحاول يحكي بس الصوت كثير واطي مو سامع.
علاء
علي صوتك.
مس ريم
نعم.
البعت يعني استدمنت
يعني هلا بورجيك يا علاء يعني ما في داعي تضلك تصور وتبعت. هلا بورجيكم حبايبي. عمر شرعان what do you want to say؟ عمر شرعان you are raising your hand. ايش حبيبي؟
انه اوكي احنا عملنا كل هوم وورك بس اخر واحد احنا عندنا مشكلة عشان نبعته.
هو خلص وقته فايتس اوكي.
لا مس انه انا عامله بس عندنا مشكلة عشان عم نبعته لانه الانترنت عندنا مش منيح.
طيب هلا رح افتح انا على الهوم ورك اورجيكم كيف توصلكم اللينك واورجيكم كيف تبعتوا لي اياه. فانتم بهاي الطريقه بتقدروا تفتحوا من ايباد او من موبايل او من لابتوب. ما في داعي ترجعوا تتغلبوا وتصوروا. رح اورجيكم يا عبد الحفيظ بعدين برجع لسؤالك اذا انت رافع ايدك. look هلا now for example you open the e-school and you find this link عند الهومورك صح؟ can you see it؟
Yes.
Can you see it? Can you
بس
see
ما
it?
بلاقي هذا اللينك.
I
Okay.
can't see it.
Yes.
Miss هذا
بس عندي
اللينك
الهوموركات.
Miss هذا اللينك you can find it in the homework section. In the homework section. You go to the homework section and you can find this link. Go to the link and highlight it like this. Right click, copy. Then come over here, right click, paste, enter. شو طلع لنا؟ Rounding decimals, which is the homework for today, right?
Yes.
Instead of doing it on the booklet and take a photo for it and send it for me, no, just write your name, choose your section, and solve the questions. Then at the end, write submit. When you do these steps, I'm gonna receive your homework. Is it clear? حدا لسه مش عارف كيف يعمل اللينك؟ حدا لسه مش عارف كيف يعمل اللينك؟
Yes.
Okay.
أنا هسه عامل.
يس كرم بكر.
أنا هسه عامل هوموركات كانوا علينا بس لازم أرجع أعملهم جوا
اللينك ما بتقدر تعملهم لأنه lesson by lesson. You're gonna find lesson by lesson. So just do the homework And if you have any question, just tell me.
بس طب أنا عاملهم يعني أرجع أعملهم باللينك.
No. Starting from today, follow the link.
Okay.
Okay. This is the first part about the homework. Is it clear?
I have a question.
Yes.
Yes. What's your question?
أنا بعرف أعمل كوبي
خلاص هل
لما تبعتي لي اللينك.
علاء صوتك ابدا مش واضح، مو سامعه ولا اشي ولا فاهمه اشي. اذا مش عارف تعمل كوبي لللينك انا ورجيتك الستبس. رح ارجع ابعث لكم اليوم بالليل هذا الفيديو، هذه الحصه على الاي سكول، بترجع تحضرها وبتشوف كيف احنا بنعمل اللينك.
لما تنزلك على الكنترولر عادي.
اوكي عمر كلغاتي، do you need anything?
How do you get this link?
Miss, on your e-school, when you open the e-school, in the homework section you're gonna find it.
Miss.
Yes Yusuf.
Miss انت بعتي لي هيك صورة عشان ال submitting the homework.
Yes. بعتها لكل اللي
Thank
بعثوا لي
you.
الهومورك. ويلكم حبيبي. Okay. So.
Miss.
Yes.
Miss, you don't give video to 11 to 1.
Miss,
No.
I sent a video for 11-1. I sent a video and a PowerPoint and a homework, and you didn't send me anything, Abdul Hafiz.
بس طيب أنا ما حصلت الفيديو.
11-1.
لما منت.
11-1 عبد الحفيظ, send me a message. ببعت لك اللينك كمان مرة على الانبوكس تبعك.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm gonna start with the revision homework. If you want anything, just raise your hand.
تيتشر اعملي لي نفس
Okay. علاء, your voice is not clear at all. I can't hear you at all. I can't hear you at all. So, can you see now? We're gonna revise the lessons that we took. We're gonna revise today. Mixed numbers and improper fractions, compare mixed numbers, adding fractions with like denominators, subtracting fractions with like denominators. Who wants to remind me how do we change mixed numbers to improper fractions? Who wants to remind me? Raise your hands. Yes, Sirla, unmute yourself and tell me.
My mother's working right now, so I can't send it in right now.
Sirla, I'm talking about this. Can you see the screen?
All right. I see it.
Okay, can you remind us how do we change mixed number to improper fraction?
We use the popcorn method.
Yes, can you start with the popcorn method? Revise us.
Yes. We multiply the denominator and the whole number. 2 times
Yes.
2 is 4.
Yes.
And we add the numerator with the 4. 4 plus 1 is 5.
Yes.
Then we leave the denominator the same and we make the 5 the numerator. That's an improper fraction because 5 is greater than 2.
Thank you. Karam Bakr, can you solve this? Change mixed number to improper fraction. Karam Bakr.
We done the 8 with the 1.
Excellent.
Then we plus the A. Then it's 8. Then we plus 8 with the 3. So it becomes 13. I mean 11.
11 over the denominator says what?
The same.
The same. The one who did this, don't make it again. لأنه بين عندي وراح أزعلكم. Okay حبايبي ما بصير نخربش لو سمحت.
Teacher.
So the answer is 11 over 8. Jinan, can you do the second one please?
It's okay. We multiply 3 with 4. It's 12. Then we
Yes.
plus with 2.
Then
Then
12
teacher,
plus.
sorry, I forget some of it.
Okay, again, Jinan. 4 times 3, which is 12. Then what do we do, Jinan?
Then we put
Plus 2.
the number plus 2. It's 14.
14 over. Over
3.
what do we change? Yes, excellent. We don't change the denominator.
Yes. Oh, okay. I remember.
Excellent. Thank you, Jinan.
Okay.
Is this part clear for all of you? Let's go to the second part. How do we change improper fraction to mixed number? Yusuf, can you remind us how do we change improper fraction to mixed number?
Yes.
How?
We make the long division 3 out of 7. It will be 2. 2 multiply by 3. 2 multiply by 3, it's 6.
Yes.
6 minus 7, it's 1.
Yes.
And the mixed number is 1 and 2 out of 3.
No. We use the quotient to be what?
The mixed number.
Yes, so 2 and
2 and 1 out of 7.
1 out?
7. I mean 3.
3, we don't change the denominator. Thank you. Lin Awad, can you please do the first one?
First we multiply 2 by 5 equals 2, and then we divide 2 by 5 equals 2, and then we times 2 by 2 equals 4, and then we minus equals 1, which is the remainder equals 2 and 1 out of 2.
Amazing, thank you so much. Malak Ahmad, can you do 22? Malak?
Yes.
Raise your voice, sweetie.
Yes, I can do
What do we do here?
12.
We divide what?
You write 12 divided by 17.
No, you mean 17 divided by 12?
Yes.
Okay, what's the answer? Okay, I'm gonna remind you, it's 1. Then what should we do, Malak?
1 times 12 will give us 12.
Excellent, then?
We will do minus.
Yes.
Minus 2.
Which is?
5.
Excellent. So, how do we write the new number now, the new mixed number?
We write the content. We will write the content as the whole number.
So 1 and
1 5 and 5 out of 12.
Excellent. Thank you. Amazing, Malak. Thank you so much. Who has any question about this part? Jinan, do you have a question?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, sorry, but I didn't understand anything of the lesson. Sorry, I don't understand.
Do you know why,
Jinan?
Because you didn't send any homework from the beginning and you didn't study anything. It's a revision. Jinan, what we did is just we divide 17 divided by 12, 1. You know how do we do long division, right?
Yeah.
Okay, after this, what we're gonna do is the quotient, we write it as a whole number, and the remainder, we write it as the new numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So Jinan, you should study again and send me your homework on my inbox. So if you have any question, I can help you. Jinan, I'm gonna ask you, honestly, did you study
Yeah.
anything?
Teacher, sometimes it wasn't open with me.
Jinan, I all of the time sent you videos. Did you study anything? Most of them no, right? صح يا
Yeah.
جينان؟ طيب حبيبة قلبي، عشان أساعدك
Yeah.
من اليوم بتعملي خطة إلك تدرسي، وأي إشي بتبعتي لي على الإنبوكس تبع الإي سكول عشان أساعدك. ادرسي هدول الدروس الأربعة رح أراجعهم اليوم، والمرة الجاي بتكوني جهزتي معنا عشان نراجع باقي الدروس. تمام؟
Okay.
Okay, now compare mixed number. What's the first step to compare, Malak Mansour?
What?
What's the first step to compare mixed number?
You can times
Before
can
we
times-
we look where?
at the denominator.
No, before this.
You look if the denominator is you can
No,
times
it's a
it
mixed
to
number.
have the
No, it's a mixed number. Before this, there is another step. We look where? What's this?
قدنا قريب من المس.
What?
10.
So we look at the mixed numbers. If the mixed numbers are the same, we look at the fraction. Here, can you compare it?
They are not the same.
Okay, so can we compare it?
Yes.
4 and 5 over 8 is what?
Is you can times 4 times 2 you have 8.
No, Malak Mansour, maybe you forgot. Look carefully. The first step to compare is, if they are different, just compare the mixed numbers. Here we have 4 and here we have 10. So do we need to look at the fraction?
Yes.
Directly you're gonna know that 4 is less than 10. So this mixed number is less than the other one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is less than 4 and 5 over 8 is less than 10 and 4 out of 6.
10.
Okay, Malak Mansour, can you try this example now?
1 and 1 out of 3 and 3 out of 1 out of 12.
Yes, what should we
The whole number are the same, the both. So you can times 3 and 4.
Yes,
It will
so
have
we
12.
multiply, you mean that we multiply 1 and 3 by what?
By 4.
Excellent, to get the same denominator. Then here we have 1 and 4, 12, 1 and 3 out of 12. So they are?
1 and 4 out of 12 is bigger.
Excellent, thank you so much. Who wants to try the other one? Who wants to try the other one? Yalla guys. Rouhi, can you try this one? Rouhi, are you with us? روحي. عمر شرعان.
ايه
عمر شرعان.
مس ايش
Okay, can you do this for us? How do we solve it, عمر?
مس هاي تاعت البوب كورن.
Popcorn? No, we are comparing, عمر.
صوت المس
عمر شرعان. Compare
Yeah.
1 and 1 out of 5, 1 and 3 out of 10. What should I do?
ايه
Okay, who wants to remind him? Who wants to remind him? Rinad, can you remind him? No voice? Okay. Who has missed? Next time, make sure that the audio is working.
Teacher me.
Teacher me. Who are you?
Awesome.
يلا عاصم, help us.
We multiply with the 10 with the 5 and the 1 and 5 multiply it with the 10 and 3. The new number will be
No, again. Asim, you're gonna think. Can we change 5 to 10?
no.
Why?
Yes.
Okay, so we multiply by what?
Yes, by 2. By 2.
2, it's easy. So what we will get now?
2, 1 and 2 out of 10.
Yes, and the other one?
1 and 3 out of 10.
Which one is
So
bigger?
1 and 3 out of 10.
Excellent, thank you so much.
فهمت.
Okay, Omar, did you remember now? يلا Omar, do this.
6 times 2 و 5 times 2.
Yes, so what do we get?
بتصير 1 بعدها 1 بعدها 10 out of 6.
10 out of?
10 out of 12.
Yes, sweetie. Then, which one is bigger?
At the right.
1 and
Right
10
one.
out of 12 is bigger. Thank you so much, Omar. So, who has any question about comparing mixed numbers? Great. Now, in adding, yes, sir, do you have any question? Okay. Now, in adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators, we said that we should do what? Abdurrahman Foudi, are you with us? Yes,
Yes,
can you tell me
teacher.
how do we add one out of 4 and 1 out of 4? What should we do?
We should add 1 and 1.
So we add the numerators just, which is 2. And the denominators,
We add
do we
the
do anything?
numerators, then we don't add the denominators.
Excellent, Abdurrahman Foudi. Now, if we get 2 over 4, do we leave it like this, 2 over 4?
Yes.
Yes? No. Look at step 3. What's written on step 3? Read.
Simplify the fraction.
Can we simplify the fraction, ya Abdurrahman?
Yes.
How?
2 divided by 1 and...
No, 2 divided by what?
2 divided by 2.
And 4 divided by?
By 2.
Who wants to remind me, how do we simplify the fraction? What should we look? Karam Awamle, can you remind me, how do we simplify the fraction? What should we do?
We should divide.
Yes, we should look at a common factor. Is there any common factor between 2 and 4, Awamle?
Yes.
Excellent. Now, can you work out this one? The first one, Awamle?
Yes.
Yeah, work it.
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Excellent. 7 over?
Equals 7 over 8.
8. Is it simplest form or do we need to simplify?
It's simplest form.
Excellent, thank you. Who wants to do 18? Abdurrahman Abu Zayyad. Let's do 18.
Okay. 3 plus 6, 6, 9, 9,
Excellent.
9, 12.
9 over 12. Excellent. Is it simplest form, Abdurrahman?
Yes.
Yes? How do you
No.
know?
Yes. No.
No, you can divide by what? What's the common factor between 9 and 12?
by 3. 3.
Excellent. So what's the answer now?
3
3 over?
4.
Thank you so much.
4.
Hamza Ifan, can you do 20?
Yes, I can.
Yalla.
5 plus 5 equals 10 and 7 will stay.
The same. Okay, do
Yes.
we leave it 10 over 7?
No, yes.
Yes. Do we leave it as improper fraction? Can we leave it?
No,
What should we do? We change it to what?
to
Mixed
200.
number. Change this improper fraction to mixed number. How?
Divide.
Yes, divide 2 and 7. 10 and 7. 10 divided by 7. What's the answer?
10 divided by 7, 70.
10 divided by 7. Here is 10. And here is 7. How many 7 are in 10?
Okay.
1. 1 times 7.
1 times 7, 7.
Okay. Then what do
3.
we do now? 3.
3.
So how do we write this as a mixed number?
3 or
3? No. We start by what?
1.
1 and? 1 and 3 out of 7 because we write the remainder as a numerator, right?
Right.
Okay. Revise the lesson, Hamza.
I forgot it.
Okay, revise it, please. Omar Kalughasi, can you do 7? Omar?
Yes.
Can you do 7, sweetie?
Yes.
What is it?
7 minus 3
Is?
4.
Yes.
4, 8, and
8.
then divided by.
Excellent. Divided by what?
Yes. Yes.
Divided by what, Omar?
Divided by 2.
By 2. Okay.
Divided by
get?
2.
What do we get?
We get 4. We get 4 out of. Get 4. No.
Divided by 2. Divided.
We get 2. We get 2 divided 2 over 4.
Okay. So 2 over 4. Is it simplest form now?
Yeah. No.
No. So you can divide more
Yes.
by
Yes.
what? Yes or no?
By yes. Yes. 2.
Yes. Again by 2. So what's the answer? 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? Right, Omar?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Rinat, can you do 18?
Yes. Welcome. Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can go. Rinat, can you do 18?
Okay.
What?
Do 18, please.
9 minus 7 equals 2. 2 and 10.
Over 10. دقيقة مس رينات. بتحبوا أضايق اللي عم بكتب ولا خلاص لحاله يعرف يبطل؟ بكل إنذار. Yes, Rinat, so it's 2 out of 10. Is 2 out of 10 simplest form, ya Rinat?
Yes.
Yes? There is no common factor between
No.
What's the common factor, Rinat?
2.
So divided by 2, divided by 2, what do we get?
1 over 5.
Thank you. The last one, who wants to do it? The same. Abdul Hafiz.
Okay. What?
Do 20, please.
17 minus 8 equal 9.
9 over what?
9 over 25.
Excellent. Is it simplest form, Abdul Hafiz?
No.
No? How can you divide it more?
No. Yes.
Thank you, Abdul Hafiz. Okay, grade 4. By this, we finish
Thank you.
the revision for today. Who has any question about this revision? We revised 4 lessons. Please revise them again at home, and if you have any question, ask me. Today I sent you new lesson, which was 11.4. You have Sunday.
Teacher, the lesson was finished.
Not acceptable to send it to me on the e-school. You should submit the link. And I told you how to submit the link. If you have any question how to submit the link,
Teacher, the lesson finished.
you should submit the link. If you have any question how to submit the link, you can go back after the class. I will put this video again on eSchool. You can watch it again and see how to open the link and submit the homework. كمان مرة ما تنسوا الهومورك عم بتابعه، عم بحط علامات ومعظمكم مش عم ببعت. Please send it. Now I finished the revision for today. If you have any question, just ask me. Raise your hand. Yes, Sirla, what's your question?
Okay. I know how to check which is greater without which fraction is greater without multiplication. If the with one denominator is less than is a smaller number than the other one, I can easily directly tell that it is greater.
Okay, thank you, Sirla. Ala, what's your question?
You're welcome.
Ala, what's your question? علاء ما في صوت ابدا. علاء ما في صوت.
When I made the small basic,
اوكي جنان، لاخر مره بحكي لك ادرسي كل الدروس اللي مشيت قبل، خاصه اول 4 دروس اللي هلا راجعناهم عشان to keep with us following. كرم بكر، اذا ما كنت دارسهم ادرسهم، واذا عندك اسئله ابعث لي. محمد سلام نفس الشيء، ما وصلنا منك غير واجب واحد والباقي. Don't forget that you have today homework which is 11.4. Make it and submit it. Send it for me. If you have any questions next time, you can ask me. Prepare the questions that you have next time for the revision. And you can also send me on my inbox if you have any question. I will not receive any homework on my inbox. You should submit it. Yes, Karam Bakir.
بس أنا دارسهم وحللهم على الهوم ورك شيت.
تمام.
بس مو حللهم من اللينك.
خلص it's okay. Starting from today من 11.4 you should send all of the links. Okay. علاء أنا عم بفتح لك سبيكر بس أنا مش عم بسمع ولا إشي، يعني رح أرجع أفتح لك كمان مرة. جرب احكي.
مشكلة صوتي مش واضح.
المشكلة صوتك مش واضح فأنا مو فاهمة شو بدك.
لما أنا لما أحط على
ما صوت علاء، ما عندك صوت، الصوت كثير مش واضح. إذا عندك مشكلة إذا عندك
بيست على جوجل كروم.
طيب وبفتح المفروض. إذا ما فتح معك بتكون فاتحه بوقت إحنا وقفنا الاستقبال. أنا ما بستقبل طول الأسبوع. بكون معطيتكم وقت معين لاستقبال الهوم ورك، يعني هوم ورك اليوم معك للأحد الساعة 2:30 تكون مسلمة، غير هيك ما بتلاقي. يس يوسف.
تيتشر بس في امتحانات.
يس.
بس حنغش.
شو عرفك؟ لما يجي وقت الامتحان تعرف كيف احتد، مو ما تقلق.
طيب ماشي.
اوكي، عشان هيك لازم تدرسوا يا جنان، لانه في اي وقت رح يكون عندكم امتحان. ريناد what's your question?
Teacher, level 4, I give you the question, the homework in Sunday.
لا starting from today اخر موعد سندي، بعد سندي ما بتلاقيه، تعملي سبميت على اللينك اللي انا باعتها. يس يا ريتال what's your question?
Teacher, I have information on his homework sheet.
يعني احنا كلنا هلا عندنا حظر تجول، فما في حلول ثانيه، تقدر انك تتواصل مع امه وتتفاهموا بهذا الموضوع.
I know because he cannot make a homework, so I'm just telling you that.
لا بيقدر يعمل الهومورك لانه انا عم ببعثها لينك.
Oh, okay.
اوكي نفس الهومورك على اللينك ريتال. ثانك يو سو ماتش حبيبتي.
Okay.
حمزه عفان what's your question? حمزه.
I'm hearing علاء.
حمزه.
Hello teacher.
يس حمزه. Do you have any
I'm
question?
hearing علاء.
اوكي خلص جاوبنا علاء، عم بحكي عن اللينك. عبد الرحمن فوده do you have any question? فوده you are raising your hand. طيب حبايبي.
Yes teacher.
يس عبد الرحمن.
مو كتير فاهمة.
ايش هو حبيبي؟
teacher لأني أنا بباوندينج مو عارف أعمل باوندينج للتنس.
you mean the lesson of today?
لليوم. عملته.
You mean the lesson of today? طيب the lesson of today you have a video and you have a PowerPoint. وأي سؤال حصة المرة الجاية رح تكون revision included هذا الليسن تسألني عنها، تمام؟ اوكي حبايبي have a nice day. كثير اشتقت لكم، كثير حابة اشوفكم ونرجع على المدرسة ان شاء الله عن قريب. ديروا بالكم على حالكم وحلوا الهوم ورك، وبستنى اشوفكم المرة الجاي. رح احضر الكاميرا عشان اشوفكم لاني كثير اشتقت لكم. باي باي.
باي.
باي.